What's up, you guys? Today's vlog, we are at Joshua Tree National Park. It's much hotter here than on the coast. This desert sun is shocking, I would say.
Yeah, it's crazy how different California's climates can be, like the different environments. You go from like the nice windy beach where it feels so great to hot, arid temperatures.
Our first activity is the Hidden Valley Trail. There isn't any cell service in the park, so we took to the map to select our next activity. We chose to go check out Keys View, and the drive there alone was so beautiful. Man, look at my shoe. It is falling apart. My toes are about to pop out. Y'all know I wear these shoes like every day. This is bad news. One of the best things about the park is all of the spots along the road where you can pull off and get out to look at the awesome Joshua trees for which the park is named after. These trees are super unique looking, and we highly suggest that you stop along the way and get out and enjoy the trees. We have come to our camp spot for the night. I'm so excited that we're out of the city. We're in some privacy. We're gonna be able to look at the stars tonight. We're just letting Zuko run around here before the sun goes down. By the way, we're obviously not staying inside Joshua Tree because it costs money. So that's gonna be all for tonight's vlog. We're just gonna relax here and enjoy our camping spot.
Say bye, Zuko.
Thanks for watching. Bye.